time I get an opportunity to display my talent, I gotta put my best foot forward. I gotta play my best. I gotta play my best. You guys gotta understand one day that why I'm doing all of this and not gonna put my best foot forward. Why I'm waking up at 5 o'clock. Why I'm staying to practice, coming to practice after we stay for 5 o'clock. Why I'm going to study hall. Why am I doing all of this stuff? What I'm doing it for? If I'm doing it for when the lights come on Friday night, that I don't show up, that I don't put my best foot forward. What I'm doing it for? If I'm doing it for my parents, if I'm doing it for myself, if I'm trying to get a scholarship, what I'm doing it for? Every morning that you wake up, you got to ask yourself that question. What am I doing this for? Or are you doing it for yourself? And that's fine. Because how many of you want to get out of Albany? How many of you want to play Division I football? How many of you want to make your mother and father proud of what you're doing? Because if that's the case, that joke should make you go harder and harder and harder every single time. Because those are the son of guns that sacrifice so much for you. I watched God doggone Prince's mom. Prince's mom bring him to practice at 5:30 in the morning. And she stays up there in that car till 8 o'clock a.m. waiting on him so she can drive in the 4th seat. That right there alone, Prince, will make me knock the son of a gun out that lines up in front of me because I don't want my mama sacrificing like that.
Good catch, man.